Here's Vita's first taste of rice cereal. Let's see. There you go. What do you think? What do you think about that? I'm not too sure. You're going to push it out. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yum. Yeah. You're pushing it out. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Yum. Is that good? What do you think? Have some more. Mmm, yummy. It's good. Ah, you want some more? Yum. Yum. You want some more? Here we go. Wait. Here we go. Open up. Ah. Ah. You know it's something to do with your tongue. Yeah. Yeah. Good stuff. Oh. Good stuff. Huh? Here you go. Open up the hanger. You're getting the hang of it, huh? You're getting the hang of it. Some more? Some more? Ah, open wide. Mmm. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. Mmm. Get that tongue in there. Get that food in there. Say hi to Mimi and Nono. You want some more? Is that good? Is that good? Yum. Say bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye.